Hey guys! So today I'm going to do a mukbang on some pizza and some wings. Okay, so today I ordered some Papa John's pizza. And I ordered the buffalo chicken pizza. So it's my first time trying that one. And I ordered some buffalo wings. Okay. And I got my crushed strawberry. And if you hear that in the background, I'm watching the Parkers on TV right now. So, yeah. I love my garlic sauce. And I know you guys see my Stranger Things shirt on. Freaking love this shirt. Okay, so it's real good. Just like fried chicken. And bacon. I love their wings. So that's how I finished a a wing. They get mad at me because sometimes I leave more meat than that. Chris gets really mad at me for doing that. So I know I haven't been posting. And the last time you saw me, I was blonde. So my hair right now is a reddish, pinkish color. But it was supposed to be originally like a dark black red. See, when you dye blonde hair with red and then you wash it for a few times, it just come out pink. Like, It just looks pink. This pizza is really good. I was craving pizza earlier, so I was like, let me just go ahead and buy some pizza and do a mukbang on it since I haven't done one in so long. I've been trying to get on Instagram more, but I'm doing taking classes again. And I'm actually currently studying for a second exam for microbiology. So hard. Figure I'm on my laptop so much, I might as well just record and edit. I was supposed to do a video with my sister the other day. But I fell asleep. So yeah. Anytime I fall asleep, I'll sleep for like 2-3 hours. Just because I get so tired and lazy. So right now we're having a battle with our apartment. I'm trying to break out of our lease. So I'm hoping within the next month, maybe we can break out of our lease. And if not, I'm just gonna have to ride it out until February. I really love the strawberry crush. It's so good. We bought a whole bunch. We don't normally drink soda so often, but like once in a while, every few months, we'll buy like a box of like soda or something. And like we bought it for July 4th because we had a few people come over and they didn't drink so much of the strawberry ones. you guys should comment down below what you guys want to see me do a video of next. I kind of want to do more I definitely want to do more mukbangs, because you know who don't like food. I'm definitely gonna do more vlogs. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see more of, and I will pretty much just try my best to get them out. I know I want to do more mukbangs and vlogs. Those are the two main things I really want to do. I'm for like makeup and stuff, I'm more like, that's more towards my IG, so I most likely will keep that one there. So yeah. It's so crazy because I have a quiz to do tonight. And I'm definitely not looking forward to it. So yeah, my exam, I've been like studying it here and there, reading over notes and study guides and everything. So I'm like, I hope I get an A. Like hell, I hate studying. Like, I've tried to study like multiple times. I'm not the type to study well. Me, when I hear the material, I can actually like remember it. So that's what helped me throughout my whole school years and everything. This is like my second year of college, like towards the end of it anyways. And this is like my last class before I start a program for because I'm going into nursing program, or I'm trying to. It's pretty much the last class for it, and this is the first time I'm actually like studying. I mean, like before I would study, but like not that long, like maybe an hour, and I'll go to bed. And like I'll still pass and all. Which that's good. I love how thick that breadstick part is. So yeah, I'm like the type of person to fall asleep in class. Especially if the lecture is long. Our lecture will be up to like 2 hours long, and then 2 more hours for lab. And the class starts at 9 in the morning. Like on a normal day, like a normal day that I'm not working or anything, I honestly don't get up until like 10:30. I'm not eating anymore. My max is 3 slices and a few wings. It's way too much for me. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching and tuning in with me, and thanks for bearing with me. It's been a while since I've actually recorded anything, so like I guess it's more when you do it for so long and then you stop for so long, then you go back to doing it. It's kind of like, I don't know, you just gotta work your way back in with the camera. So I'm like more on the shy side right now. So yeah. Yeah, so yeah, comment down below what you guys want to see next time, and or more often. I will start recording more and, you know, updating you guys with my life and all. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification button for when I post up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.